got the goods. So I'm gonna go home and test this out. Hopefully it fits in all of my frames and that we can attach these name cards to the menu. I bought these little gold pins and I'm hoping I'm gonna just puncture a hole and then attach it. I'll show you guys. I think it'll look great. Welcome to Mackenzie and Thomas's wedding weekend in Zion, Utah. We love doing full weekend events with couples that let us get super creative and transform into an insane, beautiful, elegant, tented event. So we're taking you along for the full wedding weekend. On Thursday, we'll have a welcome party at the private fire pit. Then we'll do a rehearsal dinner on Friday at Under Canvas's event deck. And then we'll end the weekend with the wedding on Saturday in the middle of the cow pasture. So stick around, you're in for a treat. System to bring all the way to Utah. Okay, we're grabbing lunch. Staying healthy while on the road. Very important. Yes. Okay, I bought these freezer bags for hot and cold, and I am at the McDonald's in St. George, and I'm gonna place an order for the late night snacks for the couple. They're going to be transported in these bags on Saturday, halfway to where our venue is, and then we are gonna bring it to the middle of the desert, essentially, where we're gonna have the after party. Okay. Got Happy Meal boxes. We're gonna prep the burgers and the late night snacks in this on Saturday, just for a little extra decor. But we've got the order placed and we're ready to go. Walking a check-in. Feels good to be back. Good, how are you? Doing great. If you know anything about our team, you know that we've worked at Under Canvas properties several times in the past. So we are so happy to be back. It's a new crew this year, but I'm just checking in with them, giving them the itineraries for the weekend and just talking about all of the rooms and introducing Tiffany, who is here with me assisting. And we're just giving them a little bit of rundown of the weekend. All right, setting up the self-serve bar, and we're gonna have some appetizers on this table. And it's so hot right now, I cannot fathom having a fireplace, the fire pit going, but I think it'll be really nice tonight.
Water bottle in here?
No, remember it's lost at the campsite. The private fire pit. Glamping. And her whole pharmacy.
I have to get water up there.
You can see that white little dot. That's the rental truck. Do you want me to scoot up more? No, you're good. Your heart out, Beth Dunn.
Meanwhile, in the car.
Good job, guys. Good work. Well done.
We're welcoming a new member to the team for this weekend, Laura, who is also my cousin. This is Laura's second Under Canvas attendance, but first time wedding planning. Good luck. Comes our favorite rental company of all time, La Piñata. for all my full service planning clients is create a mock-up before we even get to the venue. So I like to do basically a 3D version of what it's going to look like. And specifically this couple, Mackenzie, the bride, is a very visual person. So she wanted to see what the spaces were going to look like. So here is a look at what the rehearsal dinner mock-up is going to be. And we're going to show you the before and after of the real thing. She works out, ladies and gentlemen. So the rehearsal dinner is underway. Everyone was invited to sit down for dinner, and then we had some toasts. I always recommend, if you have a lot of people in your group that want to say toast, to only keep maybe 2 or 3 of them for the wedding day and do the rest at the rehearsal dinner. It's just a great thing to get out of the way before the wedding day. And we even had a bridesmaids who wanted to do a little game called the shoe game, where the couple sits in a chair and they lift a shoe to represent either their answer or their partner's answer. So we did a little bit of that, and then everyone just got to hang out and enjoy the evening. Okay, assembling name cards for tomorrow. Final result. Let's see it. Gorgeous. Wow. If you can see, it's all gonna be happening out here. Look at this amazing view though. I mean, this is insane. We are behind the scenes with La Piñata Party Rentals, the best company. They're out of LA. They will go wherever you take them, and they are so equipped with everything for building events in the middle of nowhere. This is why you hire La Piñata Party Rentals for all of your destination events, because coming and fixing touch up in the middle of a cow pasture. All right, Laura, our in-house calligrapher.
And Tiffany, not our in-house calligrapher.
You can do flowers. Y'all, to say that it takes a village to put something like this together is an understatement. So this was a 3-day install. We had a dedicated florist. We had a catering team that knows how to cook off grid. We had restroom trailers. We had the rental company that also hung these chandeliers. We had to make sure that the wind wasn't going to blow anything over. I mean, everything had to be thought of over and over, but I love how it turned out. Move that bus!
like I'm being alright. I get nervous on the surface, ain't it James Dean type? We're just cooped up in a cruiser on a Friday. We could let it ride. Why don't you say I quit being overthinking about everything?
So this is the Rabbit and Barrel snake sauce. Over here has our Utah cherry compo, popcorn and cauliflower puree, some of the crispy shallots.
Amazing. I can't wait to try that.
Quit being overthinking about everything. Give it up, tell you what I wanna say right now. 'Cause I could do the John Hughes kinda old cliche. Either way, I need to say anything.
If you want a more in-depth look at how I go about planning big wedding weekends like this, come and join my community here on YouTube. I will do some lives just for our members. I create videos that are just for you, and I give you like real numbers, real insights, and behind the scenes looks at how actually spending the year creating this event before it actually happens on the weekend. The link is in the description. I would love to see you there, and I hope you love this video. If you want to see more like this, please leave a comment and let me know what your favorite part of this wedding weekend was. Was there anything that was surprising to you, or are there more details about a specific part that you'd like to know, the wedding planning side of things? And as always, give me a thumbs up on this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for tuning in.